In part A, we are asked to simplify the fraction x squared minus 16 all divided by 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Now we can start by factorising both the numerator and the denominator. Now recognising x squared minus 16 as the difference of two squares, we can factorise this as x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 4. Now as for the denominator, we can factorise this as 2x plus 3 all multiplied by x minus 4. And so we have x minus 4 on both the numerator and the denominator, and so these cancel each other out. And so we're left with x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 3, which is our final answer, and we can write this in our answer box below. Now in part B, we need to make v the subject of the formula w equals 15 brackets t minus 2v over v. Now the first thing that we can do is to multiply both sides by v. And so we end up with wv equals 15 brackets t minus 2v. Now we need to expand the brackets on the right hand side, and so we can say that wv equals 15t minus 30v. Now moving the minus 30v to the other side, we can say that wv plus 30v is equal to 15t. And since we want to make v the subject of the formula, we need to factorise v out of the left hand side. And so we can say that v brackets w plus 30 is equal to 15t. Now to find v, we need to divide both sides by w plus 30. And so we can now say that v is equal to 15t divided by w plus 30, which we can write in our answer box below. Now this question is worth a total of 6 marks. To get the 3 marks needed for part A, we get the first mark for factorising the numerator, the second mark for factorising the denominator, and the third mark for getting a final answer of x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 3. And now for the next 3 marks in part B, the first mark is for a correct step toward the solution. For example, expanding the brackets to get 15t minus 30v, or multiplying both sides by v. Now since we did both, that will get us that first mark. Now the second mark is for a method to rearrange the formula to isolate the terms in v, by doing wv plus 30v equals 15t. And so by isolating all the terms that have v in it to one side, we now get that second mark. And now the third mark in part B is for continuing this method and for getting a final answer of v is equal to 15t over w plus 30, allowing us to get the 6 full marks needed for part A and part B in this question.